To watch all the episodes, download the Lionsgate Play app now.
Oh, damn it, stuck!
I told you not to get this, rookie.
Sir, actually, this is my brother's first mission. That's why I'm here. I got this to celebrate.
What's this? Oh, thank you.
Hurry up, hurry up! Hey man, what's wrong with you?
Shh.
Wasn't Mr. Escobar a whiskey drinker? Come, I'll tell you. So what happened was the commandos reached the hostel with guns and sweets, broke the gate, scared the naked kid, and the moment Aurora's door opened, in one hand he had whiskey and the other a cigarette. Escobar.
Drugs. In college. Avinash can't
He's
do this.
Escobar reincarnate. Or so I've heard.
But he looks so innocent.
Looks mean nothing, bro. I resemble Milind Soman. Does that make me him? I've heard. His new Manson, Banchod Nivas. That's where he's running his drug racket from. Don't take tension though.
Why would I not take tension? I'm moving in with him.
So, his girl is hot though. Damn hot.
Yeah, you must have heard it.
No, bro. I've seen it too.
Hi.
Akyo Gandhi from Ghana.
Yeah.
You sure you're from Ghana, right?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck, a fucking foreigner. Come inside, taking the fields. This house has one rule. Every night, you must party.
I don't drink actually.
Oh, we'll change that. Bro,
Hi.
who is he?
Hi. I'm Akhil Gandhi. First year bachelor's in journalism and mass communication from sports quota. I'm the best batsman under 19 from Ghana. Also, I'm here in India to play.
Nice.
I'll be the best batsman here too.
He's our very own private Virat Kohli.
Where will our private Virat Kohli stay? I thought it was just three of us, me, you, and our Galib Light, Sameer.
He'll stay in Sameer's room.
Sure.
Are you Avinash Arora?
And
Well, they do call me that sometimes.
other times they just call him a dumb fuck.
That's
Yeah, right. Okay. But the point is, he will stay in Sameer's room. And bro, do not worry. This is a very well planned, precise move.
Explain.
Picture this. Extra roommate means extra money. Extra money means extra parties. And extra parties means our house will be legendary.
That's actually a good idea, dude. Quite intelligent. I did not expect that from you.
Not funny. Okay, bro. Move it.
Oh, by the way, one second. We have a little culture at home that we...
Oh, fuck, man. You gotta take off your t-shirt.
But
It's a tradition. Come on,
I
let's go.
thought ragging is now an offense. You can't do this.
You're so cute, you're so cute.
Man, you're so cute, yeah. Woo! Idiot, this is not your ragging. This is the one and only rule of the house.
Hey, let him settle down first. Go freshen up and then we'll do neki, okay?
Okay. Hey, bro. Bro, take your passport. Lose your shit, but don't lose your passport.
Alright, see you.
Bro, listen up. This is where we'll set up a 69-inch TV.
Because OG Gochar makes 69-inch TV, na?
Avi, it's going to be tailor-made, alright? We will customize it. A handmade 69-inch TV, but we will have a 69-inch TV.
Bro, I thought we'll put an abstract painting or something. People will come to our parties and be like, these people are cultured. Look at them.
Avi, here we will have a 16-inch TV, and right over there, a
Party
fucking party sign.
Sweet.
And then next to it over there, we will have your abstract painting.
Cute. Yeah, we can finally call a place home for the first time.
Let's fucking go! 1, 2, 3.
Hey! I'm paying extra fucking money for that room. What the fuck is this dickhead doing there?
Gandhi.
I don't give a fuck. He's not going to stay in there.
Bro, don't take so much stress.
Ah,
We brothers will share and care. Huh? Like we decided.
Yeah, we did.
what did we decide?
Like my dad said, all for one for all.
Get him out
All
of that
forever.
fucking room.
Hey Sameer, yaar, let's get comfortable together as a family.
off,
Let's do it. Take off your kurta na, yaar. Come na.
What happened? Nightfall? No judgments, no judgments. Even I get it sometimes. Listen to commentary, you'll be fine.
Hello? Yes, Papa, good morning. Yeah, how are you? No, I was just, I was studying last night, so it just... Huh? What? No, there's no problem. Yeah, I'll send you. I'll just send you. Yeah, I'll message you. I'll message you, yeah. Coacher! Coacher, wake up, dude! Dude, Dad's coming, just wake up! Dude, what did you drink last night, you drunk fuck? Wake the fuck up, you... Coacher! Wake... Coacher!
Obe! Fuck! Good morning, fucker! How the fuck did you know that I was dreaming of Aquaman? Nice. What's this?
Raheja's peg from last night, I guess.
No, bro, it's gin. Shastri's peg.
You dumb fuck! Is that what's important right now? My dad is on his way. Which sector are we living in?
कमाल का हवाई फायर और जो करना चाहते थे रोहित देखिए गेंदबाज की लाइन लेंथ बिल्कुल बिगाड़ दी क्या बात है कमाल का और जो करना चाहते थे
To tell me which sector are we in?
Sector 30. Just ask him to take a ride from that liquor shop. Novelty. Good night.
You fucking ass! What should I tell my dad? Dad, please take a ride from the liquor shop, huh? Very smart. Very smart.
Why not? He's coming home for the first time. He should come bearing gifts. He should sponsor the party tonight.
What the fuck is wrong with you? There's you and there's another guy. The guy who planned Noida's sectors. Fucking 44 and then 125 or 45 and then about 93. What the fuck is this?
Bro, I really need to know. 44 and 35 in Hindi. Why does 93 get special treatment?
Yeah, you. That's not the point.
What's the point?
Where do Dad live?
Mommy would know.
I mean, where do I live?
With me.
Where the fuck do we live?
Sector 30.
Why the fuck are you screaming?
My house can't deal with your bad vibes this early in the morning, fucker.
Me? Bad vibes. First of all, it's our house. And just so you know, it's my dad who's coming here.
Oh, fuck. If your dad arrives and decides to stay, then our first party will get royally fucked.
Oh, hello. How drunk are you? Eh? It's a second party.
Yeah, what the second party is happening for the first time, na?
Oh, bro, if my father sees all these empty bottles lying around here, he's gonna have a heart attack or something. He's gonna think I'm wasted all the time.
So we'll fill up the bottles, bro.
Lakshay, what is your problem, bro? Hide it. We have to hide the bottles, please.
Okay,
Yeah.
we'll hide the bottles.
So one thing I'm asking you for one simple favor. I was the super one for thinking that you being my brother will help me in this tough time, but no. Apparently that's not how the world works. Clearly you're just a brother for the good time, not for the worst time. Bro, I am telling you, I've seen it all. This is how relationships and friendships end. I'm asking you for one simple favor just to clean this fucking room. But you can't even do that. I mean, come on, what kind of a friend are you? That's not fair. Hello?
I'm convinced. We should keep the house clean.
Are you for real or are you just fucking with me?
No, I'm fucking with you and telling you.
But for sure, right?
Yeah,
Good,
yeah.
good. Hold this. Yeah, good. Very
Okay.
good, very good, very good. Yeah, expensive stuff, huh? Just keep it. Great. Just do one thing. Now listen to me. We have exactly half an hour. Clean this room in 30 minutes. Finish this, I'm giving you that. All right. Thank you. Bye.
The house is very nice, well built.
Right? Dad, the landlord, he's actually a really nice person. He actually took it upon himself to just whitewash this whole wall and paint it as well. Looks like a new house, no?
You should organize yourself a little.
This is all Lakshya stuff, Papa. He'll set it up here. This is it's a toy mouth organ.
Hostel was better.
Papa, no one lives in hostel in second year. Not one single friend of mine.
However it was good. I agree the restrictions were little too much, but responsibilities were much less. Can you manage here alone? The house with the college?
Papa, I'll figure it out. I've thought about it and I will... Sorry, the place is a mess.
Mom was worrying about you.
One sec. Sorry.
Your mom was worrying about you.
You know, Mama. She worries for no
You
reason.
didn't come home during vacations?
The hostel scene happened. They asked me to... they had to leave. I decided to leave. And then we were shifting and the whole thing, Lakshay, Papa, I'm telling you, I have literally fought with him that please don't mix your stuff with mine. But he doesn't understand.
Avinash, everyone feels like this at this age, to drink, to party. I get it. I was not born a dad. Learn from my experiences. Once life goes out of your hands, it's not easy to get it back. This is why I am telling you, become a little responsible. All this will always go on.
Yes, Papa.
When's the result out?
Result usually comes, within a week before the college
Look.
opens.
If you fail or get held behind, then Aurora tires. You will have to work with me. Okay, take care. Okay, Lakshay, Manveer, Gandhi, I'll see you.
Uncle, Sameer.
Oh, sorry, Rahim. See you.
Lakshay. Lakshay. What are you doing?
I'm imagining
And what exactly are you imagining?
that how will Johnny Sins and Mia Malkova look on a 69-inch TV.
Nice. Give me your hand. Now imagine, how are you gonna fix this, okay? Because you told me that you're gonna have everything fixed before we move in here. And that's not the case apparently. So please, get it done.
Mr. Arora, come here.
What?
Look into my eyes and try saying that again, please.
Dude, it's not my fault. I just went there. I just wrote. It just came into my hand.
Bro, the tap tapped out because you tapped it. So now you tape it.
No, it's not my fault. Come on.
Of course it's your fault.
It's not my
It's
fault.
your fault.
I
What the hell are you doing, bro?
Just doing some spring cleaning. Here you go.
Dude, your phone.
Yes, it's the brigadier. I don't want to pick up.
Why?
I don't want to ruin my mood early in the morning. Guys, I really don't get it. Did my grandmother give birth to a dad? What?
I don't know.
Apparently, my dad wasn't born a dad. Sorry, context. But just punctured my ass today for some reason.
Family business joke.
Ah.
Dude, don't even get me started on my dad.
Huh?
He's been fucking my happiness since childhood.
Hell, bro.
No shit.
Yeah. Once I got him a diary, as a gift. And you know what he did? He made a timetable for me. That between 6:03 and 6:07 in the morning, I have to wake up. 6:09 to 6:11, I have to take a dump. 6:17 to 6:19, I have to bathe. Then I have to go to school. And there you...
Missed a couple
Oh,
of minutes.
nothing. Used to beat the shit out of me.
Great. We understood. He used to fuck with you, but why are you taking that out on us? This is Gandhi's bag. Put it back into your room. He's going to stay in your room with you.
Neither Gandhi will set foot in my room, nor his bag will stay in my room. Because I'm the one who's paying extra for this room. No one else is.
Point. But it's not about money, bro.
Really?
It's about brotherhood, isn't it?
Oh.
Brotherhood. Therefore, the living room is reserved for
Party.
Exactly. Why are you mistreating that saintly boy, for God's sake?
I don't want to stay with a saintly boy, for fuck's sake.
He doesn't want it.
Yes.
Bro, one sec. Try and understand. If Gandhi moves to the living room, then there will be no place. Because for party, you need privacy space.
Point.
He can't stay here, right? He'll destroy the space.
He'll destroy the space, he's saying.
Fuck! I completely forgot about your space, man. Look, even my dick doesn't give a fuck about your space.
Oof, the genitalia rejects.
And please, do me another favor. Give him my heartiest congratulations for his new room, okay?
Bro, why the fuck should I tell him?
Why should he tell him?
Because you fucking got him here.
5-0.
We did not. Just the two of us were supposed to live here.
Point.
And then you moved in. And got this dickhead along with you. So take this mess and choke on it.
I agree.
Why the fuck do you have to do this right before the party? He tapped the tap out. You are tapping the living room out.
Oh, hello. It's not my fault. Let's just Dutch and figure out whom to call. Just give me the number and I'll call him.
Abhi yaar, just call that guy, yaar. What do you call that guy? The thing that Johnny Sins plays in a favorite video.
Taxi driver.
Right. A taxi driver is gonna fix a tap. Just check your search history, na?
Yeah. Come taxi, mom and Johnny. Johnny teaches mommy, the plumber and the teen. Johnny's backdoor entries compilation. Johnny Sins fixes best friends. Johnny Sins fixes mom's leaking pipe. Oh! Pipe leak fixer. Leak pipe. Leak fixer person.
Leak fixer person.
Yeah, leak fixer person.
Call the guy. Samir, did you see? This is called taking responsibility.
Definitely, bro. Learning from the best, you know.
Dude, I can't find Johnny's number.
Oh, really? I think he should DM Johnny.
DM? You think he'll reply?
Of course, my brother.
Yeah, I am his fan after all. I mean, yeah.
You dumb fuck.
What?
How will you find Johnny Sin's number? Search for the leak fixer person's number.
Completely my bad. Leak fixer person, right?
What are you looking at me? I have a word just for you.
What are you saying, bro?
Idiot! What an idiot, man.
Apt characterization of all your existence.
And Avi, you're an idiot par excellence. You understand that?
What did I do?
And this tap you tapped, get it fucking fixed. Okay?
Bro, I mean...
Let's start Poacher's second first party. Lock and loaded, my brother. Hi. Open your mouth.
Why are you looking at him? What happened?
Don't start. I was not even looking at him.
Okay, it's fine. But you're looking gorgeous in purple.
For your KI, it's not purple, it's magenta. You got that?
Yeah, got it. But listen.
Pancho Nivas is looking lit, bro. Yeah, whatever. Tell me where the scenery is. Mahima, bro, Mahima.
I'm fucking party!
Bro, she's coming!
Great news, yeah. Congratulations, bro.
What should I do, Lloyd? Recite to him. Are you serious? You think my poems are so bad that he will leave the room because of them, huh? Is it the recitation or the poems themselves? Why are you behaving like Lakshay, Lloyd? Huh?
Fuck face.
Give me a smoke.
Shove it up your ass.
Even Dhriti is making fun of me now.
Alright, I'm on it, my brother. Good time for Punjabi songs. Here you go.
Yeah, I really can't wait.
Gonna have some fun! Yeah. Dude, why didn't you come from the main gate? Okay, tell you what will you drink? Whiskey, right? Oh, wine, yeah, okay, yeah. Red or white?
Red.
Red.
They look like they're on the same page.
I think I should get Gandhi super drunk. Huh? Then I'll convince him that I need my fucking space.
Fantastic. He'll wake up in the morning and he'll forget everything. Pure genius.
Right.
You dumb fuck, forget the alcohol. Lloyd seems to think you're good with words. Use those instead. Dickhead.
Yeah, but there's no fun in that.
Just give me that.
Hold this. Gandhi, how are you, brother?
I'm good. Hi.
How is India treating you? Are you enjoying the party?
To be honest, I've never been to a party like this before.
Oh, really?
What the hell? What are you talking about, you idiot? You're supposed to be a foreigner. You've broken my heart, man. Here, to damage control.
No stress, bro. No stress. There's always a first time. Come. What will you have?
No, actually I don't drink.
Come.
No,
What will you have?
Gatorade.
Yeah, but what should I mix it with? Whiskey, vodka, gin?
Just Gatorade.
How do I have this conversation without alcohol?
What?
Nothing. Take this. Your Gatorade. Have a good time, okay? Have fun.
Yeah.
I'll see you.
Okay, yeah.
Baby. Here.
It's Mahima.
Yeah. Cheers.
I don't get how you're hiding this from your parents, Avi.
Baby, come on.
It's Mahima, Avi, please.
Okay, whatever. Why should I bother them with this?
And what happens once they get the letter?
Which letter? There's no letter. Calm down, chill. Just look at the house. It's so much bigger and better than that shitty hostel.
You're lying to your parents, Avi, and you're okay with it.
I'm not lying to my parents. I'm not lying to them. I'm just not telling them the truth right now.
Okay, you know what? Fuck it.
Fuck it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Can we talk now if you finally have some time?
Okay, yeah, let's just talk. One second.
Avi, please, this is important.
Yes, okay. You were supposed to call the leak fixer person. Today I googled leak fixer person, I couldn't find anything. Avi, you had one job, to find a leak fixer person.
Plumber.
I didn't find anything.
Plumber!
Huh?
A leak fixer person is called a plumber.
Oh, fuck, man. Plumber. Fucking plumber. Mahima, hi. Okay, see you. The whole house is out of water because of the tap you tapped. When people puke and shit, what will they wash themselves
Avi.
with? Vodka. 1 second, baby. Just wipe it with a fucking tissue. But tissues leave so much Shut up! Your future sister-in-law is angry.
Mahima!
Mahima, my girl is angry.
Just Mahima,
baby is angry. Mahima, there is very angry, and if that doesn't get resolved right now, then I will have to use that tissue to wipe my tears. So can you please take your shitty situation somewhere else? Please? Fine. Oh, listen. What? I need a favor. Listen.
Come, let's go, let's talk. Come on. Why I always listen to you? Don't fuck with my head, you bro.
There's no point talking to her.
Hi, what's up?
Gandhi, I want to have an honest
Honest?
Mom, meet Samir.
Hi, Samir.
My roommate.
Hi, auntie. Hello.
He writes poetry. I haven't heard it yet, but he constantly writes, so he must be good. And
Hello.
this is Riti. She's always hanging out with him. Maybe she likes his poetry.
Excuse me?
Hi, Auntie. How are you doing? Auntie, you've sent him to the right place. We'll take good care of him, especially Samir. We'll teach him everything.
Listen, my son is very sweet. He will not give you any tension.
He's Auntie.
He's just new to the place now, so take care of him.
Of course, auntie, of course. Sure.
Cool. You guys have fun.
Bye, Auntie.
Bye.
We'll take care of him.
Bye.
Samir will definitely take care of him.
Are they drinking?
Dude, this guy is unbelievable.
Lloyd, this was fun, bro.
Lloyd has no sex.
You know what's funny? Neither will you anymore. Cheers.
Fuck, man.
All sorted? Oh, my brother from another mother. Make this moment the best moment of your life. Mahima's gonna
Yes, go for it.
That's what she'll say tonight. Oh, yes!
I'm sorry.
What did he just do?
I'm sorry. Sorry. This is friend.
Please don't change it.
It's
No, I'm watching. Please, no,
I
please.
need to change.
I'm really sorry.
Don't worry,
Please, I'm
don't
not
worry.
anything.
I'm
Please.
wearing something inside. I think. I'm not sure though.
Move it. Pick that up. Friends, Romans, and random men and women and Bharat.
Yeah!
Bastard, where is my girl?
How the fuck would I know, man?
Don't think about it. Fuck off.
So, moving on. What I want to say is, y'all might not know, but the resident bad boy of this house is my brother, Avi. And for the next 2 minutes, let's keep this vibe going because my brother has a special announcement.
Yes.
Come on, give it up for Avi. Hey, Chulli, hold that guitar and keep playing the G string.
Guys, my friends, I hope you're having fun at our first party.
First, second party.
Second party, sorry. I really want to share something with you. This party, and in fact this house, is very special to me. Because when I was in that shitty hostel, I couldn't spend time with this one person that is very important to me, very close to me. And that's my girlfriend, Mahima! Woohoo! Okay, and now that I have all of you here, I want to say this one thing, something that I've been meaning to say for a really long time. And that is...
Fuck no!
Woo! Mahima, listen. Oh, you little fuck, chill. Mahima. Baby, listen. Mahima. What was that about?
Avi, we both need some breathing room, okay? Let's process everything and we'll talk.
Okay, but that's okay, but listen. Did you really have to make that scene there? I mean, what will people think about me?
Really? What people think about you? That's your main concern right now.
Okay, what I'm trying to say is that we could have talked about this later. Did you really have to do that?
Haven't I been trying, Avi? But I'm sorry I didn't wait for the after party to clear your confusion. Because then you would have made time for me, right? Right? No, you wouldn't have, Avi, because you never do.
You wanted to talk about this?
No. I wanted to discuss National Roadways construction plan with you. The breakup just occurred to me.
Hey, oh, listen, we're not breaking up. Okay, calm down. Listen, let's give this time. We're not breaking up.
I've been giving it time, Avi. I know had I taken any more time, you'd have said I fucked you over.
But you are fucking me over.
See? This is what I'm talking about. You give me no good way to do this. In any situation, you find a way to become the victim.
Dude, how are you speaking?
What else do you expect me to do, Avi? It's been over a week that I've been trying to talk to you. But that's not possible because you think of nothing but yourself.
This was a surprise for you. Because I love you.
Love. Love requires basic respect. Do you get it? Do you respect anyone but yourself, Avi? I really liked you, Avi.
And I don't. Don't I like you?
No. If you did, you should have heard me out.
You don't see it, right? I shifted here because of you so that I can be close to you.
Stop putting this on me, Avi. And stop lying to yourself. If you were shifting for me, a conversation should have happened first, right? You shifted because you were kicked out of your hostel because you fucked up. Start assuming responsibility for your actions, yeah. You'd feel better about yourself. What are you doing, Avi? Are you fucking trying to cry? I cannot with you, Avi.
Mahima. Baby, listen. Mahima. I'm not...
Should I get you some popcorn?
What?
Fuck off.
What do you want, man?
Get out. I mean, get in.
I'm going, dude.
Mahima.
Hi.
Hi.
It's okay, man. It's okay. Come here.
Stupid fight.
Yeah. Shit happens.
Yeah.
Listen, there's no water in the house. I'll sort that out.
Yeah.
One more thing. There are a lot of tissues next to the bed. Feel free to use them. First, second party. I'll be back. Mahima! You live in E block, right? I'm going right there for some work. I'll drop you.
No, it's okay.
Hey, listen. Mama, wait. Listen. Are you done with your post-breakup cinematic walk? Let's go then.
Yeah.
Yeah? Come.
Thanks.
Why is he heading
He's
to
gonna
my
puke.
room?
Stop him, he's gonna puke.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Brother. Hello. Yellow t-shirt. Excuse me, brother. Why aren't you listening to me? Hello. This is my room. There's nobody inside.
Actually, I'm looking for my girl. She was in purple.
Party.
You told me no one is inside.
Brother, I swear there was no... Gandhi, what's happening?
No, I haven't done anything. I was just...
bad in bed.
Brother, she's just kidding. Kidding.
Sorry, bro. Actually, your girl wasn't feeling too good. She felt like puking, so I just helped her.
No, you were bad in
What
bed.
is this? Naughty
crazy.
boy.
I
haven't done anything like this.
Very naughty. Akhil.
You might wanna hang on to this one.
I've never done anything.
Never.
Is this your kurta?
No, brother, it's mine. Gandhi, it's mine, no? Gandhi, why is she
What?
wearing my kurta?
She threw up all over my shirt, so I was just...
What the fuck is happening here?
Brother. What do you want me to say?
Don't mess with me. I'll kick your ass.
Okay, relax.
Try and touch Samir bro's ass, please.
Oh, barabo, taporabo. Oh, barabo, taporabo. What the fuck, Lochu? Where are you guys?
Yeah, bro.
There ain't no party without the Pajero gang, yo.
Mom has trouble sleeping.
What? Oh, your mom can't sleep at night. Daddy's getting naughty at party.
Without smelling a cauliflower.
Really? Anyway,
Bro, we're looking for it.
just find it and come home, man.
All good in the hood?
Yeah, something's going on here. I'll talk to you later,
We're
guys.
just around the corner, bro. Shastri, step on it.
Hi. Okay.
This fucking phone
Listen, what
doesn't
the
work.
fuck is
Yeah,
going on?
Dude, wait. Can you see what's going on outside? I can't. I have to call the cops. Laksh.
No. I'm gonna handle it.
Bloody motherfuckers! I will kick your asses.
Sir, asses are a really touchy topic right now.
Sir, please.
What did you say? What did you say? Say it again. No. I want to listen. Say it again. Say motherfucker. Huh?
Sir, all I'm saying is asses are a touchy...
Shut up.
Sir. Lakshay, what are you doing?
Brother!
Oh, my bro! So, bro, this is your house?
Oh, brother, this is my house.
You bloody asshole!
He's my brother.
Go, sit in the car. Hey, all of you, go sit in the car. Go.
Oh, no, wait. Have a couple of beers and go.
Let them go. You tell me, bro, how are you
what
doing?
else is up? You tell me
This
what's
is
up. How's
sorted.
it going? How you been?
What the fuck do you mean? I'm not cool with gun-wielding lunatics entering our
Oh,
house.
guys, check this out.
Lakshay, hold on. Stop telling Lakshay. Stop
Please. Fuck. I still can't believe this. You actually beat the shit out of him, you little beast. I love this boy, man.
Thank you. Like, seriously. Thank you for throwing this party for me.
You've come all the way from Ghana to India. Of course, we're gonna throw a party for you. I'll throw myself at you, man.
No, please. Oh!
We're gonna party every day, bro.
Not every day, bro. Need to practice as well.
Of course, you'll practice. This is the real practice, bro. This is our playground. Our first second party is a hit, man. Our guy got guns and goons in the house. I love this. Wait a minute. How's the speaker still working?
It's waterproof.
Gandhi, I'm really sorry about that.
No, it's okay. It's okay. One second.
Yeah, sorry.
Actually, Samir, I also wanted to talk to you.
Yeah, tell me.
I mean, if you need your privacy, you could have spoken to me. I'll shift for you.
Yeah, I should apologize. I think I overreacted. I should have spoken to you directly. You're right. I'm sorry about that.
No, it's okay. Please don't say that. Please. I'll shift to the living room. All good. No problem at all.
Oh, what's done is done, man.
Yeah.
Oh, anyway. Guys, listen. Listen, I'm sorry, boys. I mean, if only I had just fix that stupid tap, none of this would have happened. It's not a hostel, it's our house.
Okay, on that note,
Guys,
hostels.
fuck all that. We have our own house now.
It'll start to feel like home soon.
Come again? Pardon, please?
What I meant was, right now this is just a house with 4 walls. We will make it a
Oh,
home
really?
together.
And how will we make it a home?
Yeah, we'll have to work together. Each one of us will have
Love,
to make an effort.
affection, intimacy.
No.
Wait,
I've told you so many times I don't
Wait,
like hugs.
Come here. What's up? Look at this. Look at this beauty. Don't you get a weird feeling when you look at this beautiful house like you're on a roller coaster or something? That weird feeling.
Bro, sounds like your breakup is hitting you.
You know a lot, huh? Actually, too soon.
This Gandhi also dropped
Fucking
2 bombs.
asshole.
Party was it, guys.
Interesting.
What are you doing?
Bro, it's our house, man. Yes!
Gandhi!
It's going on. God! Yeah, boy!
No, guys, no. Okay, tell me one thing. What does our new home mean to you?
This house, it's the best decision of my life. I'm gonna party every single day.
I don't know about partying, Lakshay, but this house is a chance for me to finally be free of my dad.
With this independence, there's an opportunity to fulfill my dreams. But you know, I miss home. I miss mom, dad.
Gandhi, it's okay to miss your parents. I know it's gonna take some time, but we're gonna make this house our home.
To watch the remaining episodes, download the Lionsgate Play app now.